Hello friends, in today's healthy recipe we will make liver or kidney fry. It can be chicken or mutton. It's very easy, let's check it out. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. So in today's healthy recipe we are making liver kidney fry. So I have taken about half an lb of kidney and liver. So here's how I'm cutting them into pieces, into small pieces, and then about 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Add it into a bowl full of water, and then add this vinegar. I'll tell you why. The kidney liver should be washed really well. You see the pinkish reddish color? That's because it has blood in it. So before you cook it should clean really well. So add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar and keep it aside for half an hour. After half an hour, wash it thoroughly, rinse it properly in water. See the color now? Do you notice? All the blood is gone. Now it is really clean. Now we are ready to cook. Let's take about 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. You can take any cooking oil. I took mustard oil, and then 4-5 garlic cloves chopped roughly, half a teaspoon of black mustard, then goes jeera, half a teaspoon of jeera. Just saute it. Once it starts fluttering, add fennel seeds, about half a teaspoon, that is optional. Then about 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and then gently roast it for about 30 seconds, and then add the liver and kidney and fry it. So the flame is on medium low. At this point I have not added any spices. Friends, please watch it really carefully. I'm going to tell you very important tip towards the end of this video. That is something which will make or break this recipe. So you can cover it and let it cook for a while, and you can stir it occasionally to see how it is doing. Then chop about medium-sized 1 onion, something like this, and add it to the liver and kidney and give it a mix. Let it cook on a medium-low flame. It is so delicious recipe. But the only trick is, in past I never liked it. I'll tell you why. So there goes half a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper powder. Okay, when I was saying in past I never liked it, that's because it used to get hard. The liver or kidney while cooking, it gets hard, and while eating it doesn't give that taste. So there goes about a half teaspoon of chili flakes. So I didn't like the taste in past, but once I discovered what to do and how to make it soft, that's when it changed the whole scene. There goes about a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then half a teaspoon of dried mango powder, which is optional. If you have, you can use it, also known as amchur. Now mix it well. Now, since we are towards the end of it, about 5 minutes before you take it out of the stove, that's when you will add the salt. If you add salt in the beginning, it will make the liver or kidney really hard and you will never enjoy eating it. And that's the trick I was talking to you about. Friends, do not add salt in the beginning. And this is about 10 minutes and it is done. Serve it hot and enjoy.